Magnetic tiles. Magworld. Roadset turned this unboxing into a moment we enjoyed together. As I discovered what was inside the box and took out each piece, I watched my son's eyes fill with excitement. He was already imagining his own track for the little cars and figures before we had finished looking through everything. Soon, colorful magnetic pieces, straight and curved roads, vehicles, characters, and traffic signs began filling the floor. Each item inspired a new idea. My son wanted to connect the roads and decide where the cars would travel, while I organized the pieces. His enthusiasm made the moment feel special. It wasn't only about building something, it was about sharing ideas, trying different combinations, and letting his imagination guide the process. One piece could become a tower, another a house, and the roads could change again and again. Watching him stay so focused reminded me that children don't need to follow one specific design to create. For us, it became a chance to talk, imagine, and spend time together. Sometimes a box filled with pieces can become the beginning of many stories created between a mother and her son.